Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be making strawberry jam. We won't be making much jam, so you can double up on the ingredients. Here we have 500 grams of strawberries. Add 1 cup of sugar and the juice of half a lemon. Mix it all up. We'll be leaving this for 1 hour. It's now been 1 hour, so we're going to heat this up. Once the mixture is on the cooker, you must keep stirring. You can't afford to burn the jam. We've been reducing the mixture for about 40 minutes and now the jam is ready. Beforehand, heat a clean jar up with hot water to prepare it for the hot jam.